Welcome back, you guys. My name is Abel from Valleyshenanigans. Today we're out here in the river, the San Joaquin River. We launched off here Sycamore Island by the muddy pond. We've been out here for like about an hour, and so far we landed this guy right here. We landed him on the drop shot, you guys, on that hogtailz from Snatch and Lips Baits. Man, awesome first fish, you guys, here. Check it out. All right, we're gonna be throwing out that rapala shadow wrap. Last time we were out here, we're kind of struggling. So let's see what today holds. Let's see what today holds for us. I feel something. Oh, we got our first fish there. We got our first one. Oh, it's a good one. 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 Oh, stay down, buddy. Stay down. Oh, stay down. Come here. Oh. Whew. I got this beautiful bass right here on the drop shot. Man, he choked that Snatch and Lips. It's a hogtail. Check that out right there. That's a good one. It's a good largie. All right, let's go for bass number 2 on that Snatch and Lips Baits. That hogtail. That drop shot is working for me today. Oh wow, that was like an instant bite. That was like an instant bite right there. Sorry about your lip, buddy. Here we go. We're on another one. Oh, we foul hooked this guy. Oh my god. Sorry about that, little guy. You swiped at it, man. That's the end of deep. Sorry about that, buddy. So as you guys know, we've caught a few fish today. We got them hands smelling a little funky before we take this lunch. We kind of want to sanitize and just get our hands smelling a little good. So Things Fishy has got you guys covered. It's a multi-purpose deodorizer. It's an antimicrobial spray. They got a few scents. This is a citrus, tropical, and this is pretty awesome, you guys. So it's almost like hand sanitizer, and it smells great. I like the citrus one. The citrus one really smells good, in my opinion. Wow, this citrus one smells great. Shout out to you, Something's Fishy, man. I appreciate the little care package here. Check them out, you guys. Go check them out. I'll link them in the description below, you guys. Oh, we got another one, guys. All right, man. This is the 4th one of the day. Look, the trebles went in him pretty good in his lip. Second treble was right here. All right. One of my favorite fall lures is this Rapala shadow wrap here. It's been doing wonders for me today. You want to catch a bass? Watch this. Uh-oh, there's a few of them watching it right there. There he is. Fifth one. Oh man, these trebles are dangerous, you guys. All right. That's the fifth one of the day right there. All right. Fifth one. Go ahead, buddy. There's a few of them right here. Let's see if I can catch another one. We're going for those risky casts, man. All day. They've been paying off. Been casting at the wood all day long. At these laydowns. Been having a lot of luck. Fishing these overhangs and these wood piles. Oh, we got a good one right here. We got a good one right here. Oh, come on, buddy. It's gonna be like the sixth one. Oh, come on, buddy. There we go. Look at that. That's the sixth one of the day, I think. Sixth or seventh. I lost count, actually. All right, man. This guy got all three trebles in him. All three trebles in him. I think this is my sixth one, seventh. I honestly lost count. Look at that. Beautiful fish. Has some nicks on him right here. Got some parasites on him by the tail. You can tell right there. Good stuff, buddy. Good stuff. And he's right under my kayak, actually. Good stuff. Wow, he's right under my kayak. He hasn't left. Alright, you guys, we're gonna call it a day already. It's almost 2 o'clock. We landed like 7 or 8 bass. Man, most of those bass were on the Rapala shadow wrap. We landed a bass, a nice one, a 2-pounder on that hogtail from Snatch and Lip Baits. I'm gonna link them in the description below. Go check them out, you guys. Pretty good day out here in the water today. Landed like 7 or 8 bass. Good day. Now we gotta run up all this stuff to the car. Run up all this stuff to the truck. Alright guys, so this is the kayak here that you guys can reserve. The package includes kayak, you got your paddle, your seat, I got a crate for all your tackle. The package does include 2 fishing rods, a tackle box, all the lures you're gonna need, and pretty much some of the lures that I've been consistently catching out here with. Book your kayak fishing trip today. We got competitive prices, you guys. Like I mentioned before, the package does include this kayak right here. You got your 2 rods, your tackle, all the lures you're gonna need. Package includes a small dry bag for your personal belongings, of course a PDF. You gotta have your life jacket, man. Book your guided kayak fishing trip. DM me or email me at A1valleyshenanigans. Alright you guys, so we're gonna head out now, man. Remember y'all, if y'all want to book your kayak guided fishing trip, DM me or email me. And yeah, man, let's make something happen. Transitional period's hitting for you guys. Book your appointment today.